traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 1st, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did make a double top today, right at the 78%. Pretty significant, I think. Definitely does have that 3, 4, 5 shape to it too. So if it does break structure, I would probably first of all put my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. Second of all, I would probably look for some sort of a three-way pullback to possibly go long again. We do have non-farm payroll tomorrow, and hopefully that will cause it to continue the uptrend. But either way, we'll have to see what it looks like then. But if it does break structure to the downside, it doesn't mean that it's going down in a significant way. It could just end up being a correction to this last push up. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.